Hey, welcome everybody. Russ Lewis here. Going to show you a couple of tricks that we can do with JIRA, really aimed at program managers, project managers, and line managers. So not necessarily team members that are using JIRA full time. And the first one I want to cover is how do I switch off those notifications? I'm getting bombarded with them and I can't keep up. And here's just a snapshot from my other folder in Outlook. And of course, Outlook understands that these notifications are coming out, but they could be hundreds as we ramped up to a large scale planning event. These Jira stories were being added and changed, 10 to a penny, and people were really getting deluged. They added rules in Outlook to suppress those Jira stories. You don't want to do that. You really want to know what's going on in Jira because that's the coalface. That's where the work is happening. So let's show you how to manage those rules. Um, sorry. So into Jira, I'm working in the BR Tech and Ops project, and it's the code for it is TR Tech. So that's the Jira code for this project. I've got a story selected. I'm already a watcher for it because either it's assigned to me or I've created it. So one of the things that I can do is I can manage the watchers from here. But that's obviously no good if you've got 100 odd stories. You need to do something in bulk. And the only way you can do things in bulk in JIRA is you hit this search. Excuse me, we better hurry up. You hit the search box here that's going to take you into JIRA's search. Just for the sake of clarity, I'm going to go with all issues because I want to make the point that in JIRA, everything's in one database. So TR Tech, that's just one project of many. There are going to be hundreds of projects running. Look at that, 29,000 different entries from all of these projects. So Scout's Honor, first thing you do is you limit the scope of anything you're touching to just your own project. Let's see the effect. That's gone from 29,000 to 179. That's a lot better. This is where I can limit things further. Status, you probably aren't interested in stuff that's done anyway. And of course, you can choose any field that you want. So you can limit by, really anything that's in JIRA. It's a very powerful search tool. But I want to draw your attention over here to the ellipsis, and that's where we've got the bulk change of all 179 issues. In fact, I will have the option to select down from 179. So here I click select all. I've seen a couple of browsers where that box didn't appear, and for some reason it hasn't selected all of mine. There we go. Now, although you would think this might be several pages of data, it isn't. That has selected all 179. I now click Next. And here are the things that I can do in bulk. You are interested probably in either stopping watching them, or maybe the other way, maybe you want to know what is going on across all of those issues, and actually I do. So this is your choice, either bulk watch everything or stop watching everything. I'm going to watch it. Doesn't make any difference which you choose. The next screens are going to be the same. Are you sure you want to do this? All right, so we're not making any changes to data, but I do get the opportunity to confirm. It's then going to run the query, and it's going to do this operation fairly quickly, I would hope. There we go. I just acknowledge that that's done, and I will now get notifications from all issues in JIRA. That's all I wanted to show you on this first video. So thanks for listening. We're done in under 5 minutes. I think it's a wrap.